Mm-hmm. That's the good stuff. Hi everyone, I hope you are well. Today I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite desserts recipes. It's a millionaire shortbread, and the recipe comes from this book, which is called Baking Bible, that I got from one of my best friends. And it's been an inspiration for a lot of my baking. This recipe, the millionaire shortbread, it's a layer of shortbread, layer of salty caramel, and layer of chocolate on top, and it's just amazing. So every time I would bring this recipe to work or to share it with our friends, then the reactions are seriously like the best ever. It's better to make the millionaire shortbread if you actually have time, because there's a lot of resting periods and so on. But trust me, it's so worth it. If you would like to see more of my recipes, please check my channel Cook for the Soul. My name is Nicole, and I would like to thank you in advance for hitting the like button and the subscribe button if you would like to see more content like this. So enjoy and have a nice day. So we're gonna start by preparing the shortbread. I'm gonna use my blender and this dough extension. So put it in, and I will mix the following ingredients together. So now I got the dough out of the blender, and I will just mix it by hand, and we need to butter the tray. So I will take a small piece of butter, put it in, and since I don't like getting my hands greasy, if I don't have to, I just use a kitchen roll. Make sure you have all the corners so it doesn't get stuck, and the sides as well. And now we will put the dough in the tray. Just to make sure we have the same height everywhere in the tray. So take a fork now, prick all over. We're gonna cover with a cling foil, just loosely, it doesn't have to be tight. And we're gonna put it in the fridge and let it chill for at least an hour. So when you are about ready to bake the shortbread, turn on the oven and set it for 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which corresponds to 150 degrees Celsius. So I had the dough chilling in the fridge for 2 hours because I took my dog for a walk. And I'm gonna put it in the oven now for 45 minutes. So now 45 minutes went on my timer, and the shortbread has the perfect color. You can see that it's just a little bit golden color, and this is the way it should be. So let this cool down now, and when it's cooled down, we're gonna prepare the salt caramel layer that goes on top of this. So now that the shortbread is still cooling, I'm gonna start preparing the salted caramel. So I'm gonna put all the ingredients in a pot. I'm gonna use the dulce de leche caramel, milk-based caramel. So make sure when you're buying it that you get the caramel one, not just the condensed milk. And you don't use the whole can, so you watch the measurement. Make sure that you put the pot over the smallest burner, and we're gonna bring it to boil now. So now I see that it's already sizzling at the bottom, so I'm gonna turn the burner down, and now we'll continue cooking for 8 to 9 minutes while stirring. Not the whole time, but make sure that nothing gets stuck to the bottom and start burning. So after 8 minutes, the caramel is done. And now it's a good time to taste it. Just be careful that you don't burn your tongue because it's very hot. And adjust the amount of salt. I will definitely add a little bit more. Now this is ready to pour over the shortbread. Be quite quick with this because the caramel will start thickening up very fast. And just spread it in one equal layer. It doesn't have to be super perfect, but try to do as best as you can. So what the book says is leave to cool for at least an hour until set, or overnight is even better. So it really depends on your time. I've done it before both ways. So I leave that up to you, and then I'll show you the next step with the chocolate. So when you're ready to put the chocolate topping on, put 25 grams of white chocolate in a small tempered glass bowl, and then put 200 grams of chocolate that has approximately 50% cocoa solid. So it should be not milk chocolate, it should be a little bit darker. And now just prepare 2 pots that we're gonna fill up with water so we can melt the chocolate. So while the chocolate is melting, prepare a toothpick because we're gonna do this pretty design on the top. So pour the dark chocolate on top of the caramel and spread it. Now take the white chocolate and put little blobs on top of the dark chocolate. Take the toothpick and start creating the design. Go every direction, do whatever you like, be creative. You have to be quite quick because the chocolate's already thickening up. So just remember that the chocolate shouldn't be fully set in order for you to be able to cut it into small bars like is shown in the book. So I now had it in the fridge for 10 minutes and it's just perfect for the cutting. So this is my millionaire shortbread. It's stunning. Try it. Let me know if you like it. And thank you for hitting the like button and the subscribe button to see more content on my channel. Have a great day. Bye.